Jai Srimanarayana. 32nd sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sarganam Adirantascha Madhyanchaivaham Arjuna Adhyatmavidya Vidyanam Vadaha Pravadatamaham Om. When you hear the name Creator, Protector and the Destroyer, Krishna Paramatma must come into your thoughts. When you hear the name Spirituality, the Vedanta Vidya, Krishna Paramatma must come into your thoughts. When you see anyone making an argument within barricades, taking references from the authentic scriptures, Krishna Paramatma must come into your thoughts. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha." Now you must respond back to Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines, which is the most effective puja for the day. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall definitely remember you when I hear the names, that Creator, Protector and the Destroyer. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall remember you when I hear the name Spirituality, when I hear the word Spirituality and Adhyatma Vidya and Vedanta Vidya. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall definitely remember you when I see someone making an argument within a proper barricades, taking references from the authentic scriptures. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone, I shall not cry. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 142nd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Yashoda Devi is now going to tie Sri Krishna. Who is this Sri Krishna? Sri Krishna is Sakshat Sriman Narayana, the one who is even not easily accessible to Sakshat Lakshmi Devi. Even Lakshmi Devi also cannot catch hold Paramatma. Chikkadu Siri Kaugitilo, Chikkadu Sanakadi Yogi Chittabjamulan, Chikkadu Shruti Latikavalin. Paramatma, who is not being tied by even Lakshmi Devi. Not only that, Paramatma, who is not being held in the great minds of Yogeshwaras like Sanaka, Sananda, Sanat Kumara, Sanat Sujata. They can also not be able to hold Paramatma in their minds. That means they cannot catch such Paramatma. Not only that, even great mantras, Veda mantras, all of them together also cannot perceive Paramatma completely, cannot understand Paramatma completely. That means even Vedas also cannot catch Paramatma. Such great Paramatma, Supreme Sriman Narayana, who is now present here as Bala Gopala, as Sri Krishna, now Chikkenu Atadu Leelan Talli Chetan Rolan. He is now under the custody of Yashoda Devi. He is now caught by Yashoda Devi. He is caught by Yashoda Devi's mother's love and affection. Now Yashoda Devi Taddama Badhyamanasya Svarbhakasya Krutagasaha. She is now trying to tie Sri Krishna to that wooden churning pedestal. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 10th chapter, 32nd sloka. Sarga Namadirantascha Madhyanchaivahamarjuna. Adhyatma Vidya Vidyanam Vadah Pravadatamaham. Sarganam Adirantascha Madhyanchaivahamarjuna. Adhyatma Vidya Vidyanam Vadah Pravadatamaham. Sriman Narayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.